Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unlink your Lemon8 account from TikTok. First, if you want to keep your accounts connected for login purposes but stop your Lemon8 posts from showing up in TikTok search results, here is what you need to do. Open the Lemon8 app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon. It may look like a gear icon or 3 horizontal lines, depending on your version of the app. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option called Show Content on TikTok. Tap on it. You will now see a toggle option that says Show your content in TikTok search results. Turn this toggle off. Once it is disabled, your Lemon8 posts will no longer appear in TikTok search results, but your accounts will still stay linked. Now, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Security and Permissions. Tap on Apps and Services Permissions. You will see a list of connected apps. Find Lemon8 in the list and tap on it. Then select Remove Access. Confirm your choice if asked. This will completely remove Lemon8's access to your TikTok account. Thanks for watching.